here's something that drives Mac users crazy. macOS gives you no built-in way to record the audio playing on your computer or send it into another app. Want to record system audio? Pipe music into a Discord call? Capture a meeting? macOS just won't let you do it. The fix for this is a virtual audio driver, and in this video I will show you a free one that does it without any of the usual technical headache. The virtual audio driver is called LitLink. It basically creates a fake audio device on your Mac, one that other apps can record from or send sound into. Think of it as a cable that connects your apps together where macOS normally puts up a wall. The free version covers everything most people actually need, and there's no time limit and no account required. Let me show you. First of all, to download the driver, head over to litpads.app/litlink and then simply click here on download free. The driver is signed and notarized by Apple, so it is completely safe to download and no scary security workarounds are necessary to install it. So simply download it from here, then install the package. This will maybe take about 30 seconds. Now open it up and you will then see this interface right here. And now to capture system audio, which is most probably what you want to do, simply make sure that system audio pass-through here is toggled on. LitLink will then pretty much set up everything behind the scenes. No audio MIDI setup, no building aggregate devices, no picking channel counts at all. Everything done automatically. And importantly, you still hear your audio the whole time. A lot of free tools route your sound away and leave your speakers silent. LitLink handles that for you as well. So now you're actually ready to record your system audio. Let's suppose you're using QuickTime for your recording, then all you would need to make sure is that you select LitLink Audio Bridge as the input before recording. On top of that, if you would like to record your mic at the very same time, then simply make sure that here Enable Mic Pass-Through is toggled on as well and select your microphone right here. Now, if you would just like to record system audio without using any other software than LitLink, then you can actually also do it because LitLink also has recording capabilities. In this case, just make sure that mic pass-through as well as system audio pass-through here is toggled on. Then go to recording here on the left side. Now, whatever system audio is played is actually recorded. So for example, if you're on YouTube and are playing some music, this is now recorded, no problem. To stop the recording, just go back to LitLink and click on stop. Give your recording a name and click on save. And here you go, here's your new recording. Now, if you would like to get audio into apps that only accept the microphone like Discord, Zoom, or Google Meet for example, then you can also use LitLink for that very purpose. Just make sure that in the settings of these software that you pick LitLink Audio Bridge as your mic, and now whatever's playing on your Mac goes into these calls. And it's the very same thing for OBS or any streaming software. Just add LitLink as an audio source in OBS and you're capturing system audio for your stream now. Last but not least, let me also tell you that LitLink actually also offers an audio volume mixer for all apps on Mac. With this volume mixer, you can adjust the volume of each app on your Mac independently. And that is yet another thing that you cannot do on your Mac natively, because on Mac the only volume fader that you get right out of the box is this sound fader right here, which is an all or nothing fader. No granular control over your app volumes whatsoever. But with LitLink, you simply come over here to where it says per app volume in the sidebar, then just make sure the toggle is on right here, and you will then get granular volume control for all your apps. So with that said, if you would like to have Spotify at a reduced volume, for example 50%, you can easily do that and set some other audio, let's say coming out of Google Chrome, to something like 70%. It's that easy. Last but not least, you will also find all of the important controls of LitLink in your menu bar for easy access. Simply click on the speaker symbol in your menu bar and you will find all the important controls right there. And that's it guys, this is your free virtual audio driver for Mac ready for you to download. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, bye.